Ako po si Paulo Daet, ang Sablay Operator ng LCC Legazpi.
Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 61 meters.
Printer head clean. Punas ng capping at wiper after head clean. Nozzle test. Ink system ay tama lang. Waste tank disposal every Wednesday.
EBR po, naka 220 volts.
Ito naman po yung inks namin. Sa left side po yung used and sa right side po yung unused. Tapos dito po sa kabila is yung public paper po.
Monitoring ng cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and yung Sablay paper. Ito naman po yung daily output monitoring. Tapos po yung Sablay daily checklist.